I recently received this SmallRig matte box. I pre-ordered this last December 3, and it almost took a month to get to my doors and my hands. So yeah, I'm excited for this. So by the way, I'm using the Nanlite Mixpanel 60 as a key light without any softbox. So I use this as soft mode, and then on the back we have the Forza 60B with the lens projector projecting some images there at the top. And then, oh, I forgot to turn this on. Sorry. Let me turn this on just to add a little bit of accent there. So yeah, so I just received this matte box, and I also pre-ordered some rings, and I also ordered adapter rings in case I needed something to specific lens. I could mount it easily. So we have this really cool black box. It says lightweight matte box. Let's try to open this. So we have this matte box from SmallRig. It got some cool graphics. Okay, so opening it. The case is really nice, very well built. And it says package includes matte box ×1 Allen wrench. We got 67 to 114 millimeter adapter ring, 72 to 114, 77, and 82. And this is the matte box from SmallRig. Really nice. It's got some plastic on it, so let's open that later. And we also got the adapter rings. Another adapter rings, probably from different filters. Wow, really amazing. It's really look cool. So this is the matte box from SmallRig. The adapter ring would go in here inside, and then you could also insert two filters here, the 4x4 or 4x56. So basically you can open this side, you could put your ND filter here. You could insert basically two slots here, and then closing this, you could close this one. Here is the top flag. You could open this one, and then here's your matte box. It's very nice, lightweight. Here's where you could lock and adjust your filter rings. The matte box graphics here, you can remove this. This is just like a plastic sticker, so that you could just have like a carbon fiber finished, and that it got some logo here named SmallRig. So let's try to open the adapter rings. So it got some Allen screws here and speed rings. 82 millimeter. This is the 82 millimeter ring. 72. So you got 82 and 72 on this side. 77. So we got the 77 here. We got the 67. So this is a 67 ring. I added some filter rings, the 95 to 114. This is the 95, so you have a bigger diameter here. This is the support rod from SmallRig. Got also some support rod that could hold the matte box here. Basically, you could screw it here and then support the lens and the matte box. We're gonna mount the matte box here in my main camera. This is the Canon Eos R with the Tamron 24-70. So we'll try to mount the 82mm filter lens here and let's see how it looks. So we have the 82mm here filter lens. This is how it looks, the matte box with the matte box. So this is almost complete, guys. So this is my Canon EOS R with Adams Ninja 5 and with a wireless transmitter and Rode Wireless Go and wireless mic. You can open and close the tap flag here. No, so there's a stopper here. You also have filter stopper here. They have 2 screws that you can screw in your filters. That's my Canon EOS R2. That's the Zhiyun Crane 2 filming my front here, and then that's the LitoLite 5C, and we also got that Mixpanel here, the Mixpanel 60. By using the wireless transmitter, you will have preview here with the SmallRig. Finally, I just received the SmallRig matte box. When you pre-order from SmallRig, just be patient because I think there's a lot of people ordering too. So overall, I like the finish. I like the build. It's very lightweight, and I could use this as a handheld when whenever I can. So the thing that I don't like is I switched the zoom here, and it's heavy when zooming in and zooming out. But let's see, I will try to do more setup and practice more, and probably when going to the set I will set up earlier. From this on top of this, they have mounting screws that you could mount on the SmallRig. So that's really cool. Yeah, this is the matte box, guys. So
it's alright.